Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again. I am feeling super exhausted, and truth be told, I haven't been feeling the greatest the last week or so, 37.5 weeks, but I'm done. I'm super ready, and I'm just hoping that by some miracle, this little one makes her appearance soon. This video is going to be what's in my diaper bag / hospital bag. Now, as you guys know, if you watch my videos, this is not my first rodeo, but it has also been a really long time since the last time I did this. So I think even back then, I don't even know if I don't even remember packing a diaper bag or a hospital bag for that matter. But everything I'm using obviously is at my discretion. I've done my reading, I've done my research, I've heard a lot of things about a lot of different products, and basically I'm just using what I know, what I've used on my kids, and thankfully my kids are alive and well, so whatever I used worked. So I'm going to start with the diaper bag, and I'm going to let you guys know right now, I'm a little, I feel kind of dazed and confused right now. I haven't been feeling the greatest, so I feel like right now I'm just kind of running on the very end of my fuel tank. So bear with me while I get through this video, and again, it's kind of late, so I needed to get this done. I had my diaper bag ready for about a week or so, and it's just this gray and pink diaper bag that I purchased at Walmart. If you guys want to see a little more about the actual diaper bag, I'll link it up here. It's in my baby shower haul. Basically what I have in here is what I'm gonna need at the hospital, but also just general stuff that I'm gonna need in the diaper bag overall. So it's not just like hospital stuff, it's just day-to-day use stuff. I have a little plush blanket. She is gonna be a spring break baby, I think, if I go all the way to my due date, and I'm sure it'll still be kind of chilly outside. I have a nice warm blanket for her. One of the first things I want to show you that I have in here is this baby wrap from Smart Sport Lane. So they were nice enough to send this product to me. I'll go ahead and show you that. I have actually never used one of these, but have always been curious to do so, and so I was really excited when they sent me this product. It comes in its own sleeping bag. I don't know what this is called. It comes in its own little carrier thing. It comes with this little pamphlet where it shows like the different instructions on how you can carry the baby. I really like the thought of it because it just keeps your baby nice and snuggled next to you, so it'll help, you know, keep them calm, and then also keeps them really close to you and your heartbeat and your warmth and whatever they're used to being around when they're in your belly. So, and then it also has the no-nos on here, so just make sure that if you get one of these, you follow the instructions. I'm also going to be linking the product down below if you guys want to check it out, and if my lighting is acting up, it's just because it's obviously my video and it always happens. Okay, so I'm showing you guys this baby wrap, and it's actually really light and breathable. It's made from cotton and spandex, so it's pretty stretchy also. But I kind of wanted to show you guys this. It has two different directions here. So one is for babies who cannot sit alone. So basically a newborn and a few months old. And then once they can start, you know, holding their head up or whatever. Obviously, I don't have a baby on me yet. I mean, I do, but I don't. So I'm going to be using Milani's little stuffed animal. But let's see here. It's really long, this little logo thing. So that's going to go right here. Aww, two babies. And then, if you can see, you wrap it towards the back. But then you bring this over your shoulders like this. Okay, you just adjust it to make sure that it's nice and snug. Then you're going to put that through here. Okay, so basically you're going to want to open this up like that. And this might be a little awkward right now because obviously I have my belly that's kind of getting in the way. but you're gonna cross it over from the back and then tie it at the front. And again, whew, belly's in the way, so now I have that. This is Pretend Milani. Might be a little bigger than Newborn Milani, but we're gonna go ahead and just kind of work it in there. So you're gonna gently put your baby right in there. A big old belly in the way, and this is a stuffed animal, but more or less this is what you're gonna do, and this actually feels quite good. Aww. I actually really thought this was Milani for a second. So cute. I can't wait. Just hurry up and come out, little one. And actually, you know what? This would actually kind of help with breastfeeding also. So they're just right here, and you can snuggle up on them, and they can be nice and comfy, close to your heart, and help them sleep. So cute. I also have this little pouch. So it has like the little nasal aspirator, it has the brush and the comb, and again, I think I showed you this in my baby shower haul, so I'll link that above also if you guys want to see everything it has in it, but just in case, I also have that. This diaper bag also comes with a changing pad, so I have that in there. It has the side end that has the baby wipes, so I have that right in there. I also packed some diapers. I know they will give me diapers at the hospital, but just in case. Again, I have those in there. And then I just have some little tissues in here, and then a binky, and this binky is made for newborn. And then I don't foresee having issues breastfeeding there, but in case I do, I am taking a bottle. I'm sure something will be worked out, and if not, I have this bottle for daily use at any other time. So I'm gonna keep that in there. And then I know a lot of people go against like baby lotion and baby powder and all this stuff because of whatever you've heard or whatever you've read. But I know Johnson & Johnson actually changed their ingredients in their baby powder. And also there's a lot of other products that are linked to Johnson & Johnson that I've read about. So I mean, either way, there's products that some people may steer away from, but I got the baby powder and I got some baby lotion. And then I also got this Parents' Choice diaper rash ointment. For the hospital, I am taking 2 of these swaddling blankets. I also have her little outfits here in a big Ziploc bag just to keep them together. And again, I didn't want to go overboard because she's probably just going to be either wrapped up in a little blanket or in a onesie most of the time that we're there. But, you know, just in case, I did pack these little gloves just so that she doesn't scratch her face. And then I also included here 3 different outfits. So one is her going home outfit, which is just this cute little pants and this cute little shirt. And again, I think it's gonna be chilly still, so I want to make sure she's nice and covered. And then I got her little hat. I did actually put 2 more hats in there and 2 other onesies. So basically her stuff is ready to go. I foresee getting diapers and all that stuff there. So I don't think I have to worry too much, but I just wanted to make sure she had, you know, a going home outfit, and then whatever else I'm gonna keep in here for like day-to-day use. And then as far as my hospital bag, I actually just got this as a gift from my sister-in-law, and it's really a diaper bag, but because I already had the diaper bag packed, I thought it would be great as a hospital bag. And it's just this pretty awesome jujube diaper bag, and I really like it actually. It has so many pockets. I more or less have what I think I'm gonna need. There's a few things that I haven't put in here yet, but I'll go ahead and start with the first thing. You guys, I'm ready. I swear if I went into labor tonight, I would be just fine with it. I am so done. I'm miserable throughout the day, like the whole entire day, and I don't even know. I just stuff things in the pockets that they would fit in. I will be taking are, I have 3 nursing bras, 3 different nursing bras. One of them is more like a sports bra that it has like a little crossover on it. And then the other ones are ones that have like the little little latches on and off. And I'm taking a few of these. These are actually super comfortable, so I wish I could wear them right now, but and then I also bought these cute little slippers at Walmart. I think they were like $2. And then they have the little rubber things at the bottom, like the no slip. This is such an awesome bag. I swear, it has so many different compartments to it. It has like all these little pockets, and I mean, these are for like your keys, and it has another pocket here that I don't have anything in it, but I'm sure like my ID and stuff would fit in there. Lifesaver. I live on this right now. It's some dry shampoo. I know that I will definitely be using it there because it'll be just the easiest thing to do. In this little bag, I have like my cosmetics. I'm not going to take too much just because I'm not too worried about it, but I still kind of want to look decent while I'm in the hospital. So I have just a little bit of makeup. I have my sponge, my foundation, I have blush, my brush, eyeshadow, mascara, of course my eyebrow stuff because I cannot go without my eyebrows. So and then in this Ziploc bag, again, I know I will probably get all of these things at the hospital, but I just want to be prepared just in case for like on the way home. And I'm pretty much going to take whatever I can from the hospital, be it pads, underwear, I don't care. I'm going to take it all if I can. But just in this Ziploc bag, I have some ginormous pads. And then also some, what are these called? It is so late, you guys. I can't even think right now. Breast pads, the pads that you put in your bra so when you leak and you don't get it all over it. That's what I have in here. And then also I have some Lanolin Balm. I also heard that coconut oil is actually a lot better for this, and so depending on how this goes, I may also use some coconut oil, but like once I come home. And then things that I actually didn't pack in here yet are Tylenol, and then also some stool softener. Isn't that just like what everybody wants to hear? But I'm also going to be taking this support band. It's a maternity support band for after she's born, obviously. And I know I'm going to get the sexy mesh underwear there, but I am also going to take these ginormous underwear. If they get ruined, they get ruined. It's okay. And then my sister-in-law also gave me these labor socks. It says push. And it also has like the rubber bottom so you don't slip. Remember what's in this bag? Oh, yeah. So I got my soap, my face soap, my deodorant, my moisturizer, and then I'm sure they'll have, again, all this stuff there, but I'm going to take it just in case. My body wash, shampoo, I have my toothbrush, toothpaste, razor, and then my little loofah. And then I'm also going to be taking a mirror, which is really disgustingly dirty that I have to clean before I actually take, but I just wanted to stuff it in there so you guys could see what I'm taking. Last but not least, in here, I have my fuzzy slippers. And then I also bought this little pajama set at Walmart. And so basically it's just like some really comfy pants, which actually aren't really pants. They're like capris. And I don't really like these as capris because they're really loose. And I would rather have something tight. But I really like the shirt that it comes with because it's like a button down. So it'll be easy for me to just button and unbutton, you know, anytime I want to feed her. And I'm also going to take these black leggings, and they're maternity leggings, so they'll be nice and comfy. I also have some gray and black ones that I'm going to take with me, but I'm still using those right now. So. I also need to put my going home outfit in there, which I'm still wearing. I'm just going to wear my maternity pants and maybe some comfy shoes and just a loose shirt. I'm still wearing all that stuff, so last minute. I hope I remember to pack it all. If not, then we'll figure it out. I also ordered this nursing pillow from nursingpillow.com. I was gonna buy a boppy and they're really expensive, so I thought, no way in heck, so I'm gonna make my own. And then I thought, do I really have the energy and time to make my own boppy right now? No, not really. So I remembered I actually got this welcome packet at my OBGYN's office, and it had all these little coupons or like gift cards. I went on the website and basically you get a free nursing pillow. It's like a $40 value. The shipping and handling was $16.99, so it was still about half the price of an actual nursing pillow. So I thought, hey, why not? And then I get the pillow. Is this a nursing pillow for ants or what? It's a tiny little thing. Look at this little thing. It's tiny. So I guess it makes sense if I paid half the price, they sent me half a pillow. If I put it this way, it looks big, but if I really put it next to my head, it's like literally almost the size of my head. And I don't know. So I'm still going to take this and I'm still going to be a cheapo and not buy an actual boppy right now because they're really expensive. And I already ordered this one, so I guess I will have to endure. I actually really like it. I like the pattern and it's pretty soft, but I just feel like it's going to lose its oomph quite fast. But I guess I can't judge it yet because I haven't used it. Of course, I'm going to take my charger, my camera, my tripod, and you guys will see some or most of what's going on that day. And again, I really hope it's soon because even though you see this big smile on my face, I'm completely done and I'm miserable. So I'm seriously trying to get some more videos out there for you guys, at least a couple more before I just can't anymore. And I'm getting to that point where I seriously just can't. I did make a commitment to do a couple more videos, so I'll see if I can get those out and then call it good. I am just really excited and hopeful that she will come soon. Okay? So bear with me as I struggle getting these last videos out before I can't for a while. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you leave a thumbs up, leave comments down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.